Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how do you know if a friend has seen your message on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening our Facebook app, let's go to the Messenger. To go to Messenger, you can see the Messenger icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that I sent a message to my friend Mr. Keda Mahajan a few minutes ago. Now you can see his profile picture icon up here just below my message hi. And there guys, this is how to know if your friend has seen a message you sent on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.